Let's move on to Sohail Tanveer. Sohail bhai, how do you see today's game? Quick notes about that, and then we'll move on towards match summary.
देखिए मेरे ख्याल से तो इस्लामाबाद अपने लिए खुद ही मुश्किल क्रिएट कर रही है बाय मेकिंग सो मेनी चेंजेस. हर मैच में आप 5 से 6 चेंजेस कर रहे हैं. दैट्स नॉट हेल्पिंग देम आउट फॉर श्योर. पहले 5 मैचेस यस उनके आई थिंक मेनली फरहान की वजह से और उनकी बैटिंग की वजह से वी ऑल बिलीव्ड कि मे बी दे आर इनविंसिबल और कोई उनको बीट नहीं कर सकता. बट यू कांट अफोर्ड इट. यू नो फंडामेंटल्स जो हैं क्रिकेट के कहीं ना कहीं यस क्रिकेट हैज़ बहुत मॉडर्न हो गई है, चेंज हो गई है, बट स्टिल जो रूल्स हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं आपको जाके उनको बरकरार रखना पड़ता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग योर टीम. यू नो आई डाउट इट दे स्टिल व्हाट दे बेस्ट 11 इज. आई थिंक दे डोंट नो क्योंकि आप 5-5 6-6 चेंजिंग कर रहे हैं ना. और आप कैसे मतलब आई डोंट बिलीव व्हाट्स दे थिंक टैंक डूइंग कि इतने चेंजेस आप कैसे कर सकते हो यार. एंड नाउ लूजिंग 3 गेम्स बैक टू बैक it's going to be very tough. It's going to be very tough. Yeah. 5-6 changing you can't afford.
2-3 ठीक है.
भाई शुएब भाई आई मीन आपने इतनी क्रिकेट खेली है मतलब पहले 4-5 मैचेस आप जाते हैं एक 11 के साथ. यू थिंक ओके दिस इज आवर मेन 11 देन यू ट्राई आउट द बेंच प्लेयर. बट हर मैच में आप 4-3-5-6 players. That is a lot.
It's costed them quite a lot as well as QG is actually on top of the table as well. Now let's move on towards Sana. Sana, you know, Quetta Gladiators. जब हम इस्लामाबाद की पिंडी की बात करते हैं या बाकी और ग्राउंड्स की बात करते हैं, they've been relying on their spinners. Eventually, they have moved towards their pacers as well, and they're getting the job done.
एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक क्वेटा अगेन बात यही यहाँ पर आती है कि उनकी टीम बड़ी अच्छी जेल कर गई है. उनका बैलेंस टीम का बहुत ज़बरदस्त नज़र आता है और दे आर स्टिकिंग विद देयर कोर टीम वंस अगेन. हम बात जो चेंजेस की कर रहे हैं, इस्लामाबाद ना सिर्फ चेंजेस बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहा है बट विद इन द टीम बैटिंग ऑर्डर को बहुत बदल रहा है. अगर आप देखें तो जो आंड्रेस गॉस है वो आज खेले हैं बट अपने नंबर पर नहीं खेले. तो क्वेटा में ये चीज़ अच्छी आ रही है कि ठीक है शुरू में हसन नवाज से परफॉर्म नहीं हुआ, उनको बैटिंग ऑर्डर नीचे किया बट स्टिक किया. तो फाइनली हसन नवाज अब उस फिनिशिंग पोजीशन पे आके एक और आउटस्टैंडिंग ऐसा नॉक खेल गए जो कि क्वेटा को बहुत ज़्यादा इस वक्त कॉन्फिडेंस देगा. रायली रूसो तो ऊपर हैं ही, फिन एलन के भी रन हो चुके हैं. तो इस नॉक से क्वेटा की टीम और ज़्यादा तगड़ी हो जाएगी क्योंकि दे आर स्टिकिंग विद देयर प्लेयर्स एट देयर ओरिजिनल नंबर्स. तो ये बड़ा ज़रूरी है कि अब आप इस फॉर्मेट में उनके नंबर्स पे उनको ज़रूर खिलाते रहें.
चलिए अब क्योंकि हम बात भी मैच की कर रहे हैं, मैच समरी के ऊपर भी एक क्विक नज़र डालते हैं एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट रियली हैपेंड. लेट्स रीकैप इट अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज एज वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्वेटा, एक क्रूज शहजाद उनका ज़रूर चल रहा है क्वेटा ग्लैडिएटर्स का. बैक टू बैक विंस एंड स्पेशल विंस, यू नो उनकी तरफ से वो टीम एफर्ट नजर आ रहा है. वेल दे वन द टॉस टुडे एंड पुट इस्लामाबाद टू बैट फर्स्ट. 157 इज व्हाट इस्लामाबाद कुड मैनेज. साहिबजादा फरहान और काइल मेयर्स ने runs किए टॉप ऑफ द ऑर्डर बट मोहम्मद नवाज with his 49 of 34, that was a special cameo from him. But really credit to Quetta's bowlers, the way they restricted a team like Islamabad to 157. दूसरी तरफ चेज अगर आप देखें, हसन नवाज द प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच, 64 of 49 from him and at a decent strike rate as well because we've seen some of him but we're yet to see more of what he can do internationally. यहाँ बाकी अगर आप देखें एफर्ट, साउथ शकील couldn't really get off today लेकिन फिन एलन and Riley Rousseau chipped in and Mohammad Wasim with a nice cameo in the end, 16 of 11 and in the end well that was an interesting chase. They won by 2 wickets, almost let the match go away, Shahzad, in the end, had it not been for those 3 catches dropped in the last game. Shoaib, how often do you get to see that in a T20 game? आखिरी bowler, आखिरी ओवर करा रहे हैं मोहम्मद शहजाद and फिर 3 chances create हुए, तीनों drop हुए.
हाँ,
Chaos.
अन्य लग रहे थे मुझे.
Chaos, chaotic.
I mean, after getting Riley Roosevelt out for the run out, I mean, you got the breakthrough, right? So you had the half of the game in your hands. But again, having said that, I think Hassan Nawaz played really well to take them this far, but they made sure after that he crosses the line. By dropping the catches.
Exactly, but I think it was Salman Irshad who was too desperate and eager to get the catches too as well. But I think
and I think he hurt himself towards the end as well. I hope he's doing okay now. But Islamabad cannot afford another injury.
But I think that's where Aaron needs to kind of speak about, you know, Pakistan Super League's 10th edition, where finally we got to see a nail biter happening today. You know, got us. You know, do you think that, you know, Pakistanis are usually very calm towards the last ball or the delivery of the over, where, you know, we do know that, you know, it's going to be chased up?
Short answer, no. I think quite often panic sets in, and you know, all the plans and the preconceived ideas kind of go out the window when the stress takes over, which is why I think Karachi Kings have been having a lot more success this year, because you've got the experience of David Warner, who has taken sides who on paper didn't look like they were going to have the goods straight to finals like Sydney Thunder this year in the Big Bash League. So I think where he's really showed his value is just showing the guys another way of playing the game, showing them how to concentrate and back themselves in the difficult moments. I think poor Islamabad, they thought everything was going absolutely swimmingly when they were at Pindi at home. Very familiar conditions, really suited that explosive top 5, top 6. Now they've had to regroup and find a way in some really inconsistently performing Lahore wickets, and they don't know how to find their best playing 11. Couple of injuries in there as well, which doesn't help. But
and obviously including their captain not being there on the field, and Salman Ali Agha will of course be seen as the leadership in that leadership role. But Shadab looking a bit frustrated now. So I'm going to come to you because hum captaincy ki baat kar rahe hain. Shadab really not there, not being able to enforce those changes, those tactics. Salman Ali Agha, even though आज उन्होंने दो टोपियां पहनी हुई थी, एक कप्तानी की आई थी, एक एज अ प्लेयर, बट क्या कैसे आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशली इस चीज़ को कि कैप्टन ऑन द फील्ड नहीं है?
देखिए काफ़ी फ़र्क ज़रूर पड़ता है, बिकॉज जो मेजॉरिटी डिस्कशंस होती हैं इस लेवल पर वो आपकी फ्रेंचाइज हेड कोच, थिंक टैंक ओनर्स और कैप्टन के बीच में होती हैं. सलमान अली आगा नो डाउट पाकिस्तान के कैप्टन है, बट शुरू के 4-5 मैचेस जिस वक्त इस्लामाबाद जीता है उस वक्त ही वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द 11. सो सलमान हैज़ कम इन एंड शादाब हैज़ गॉन आउट. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अगर शादाब होते हो तो वो ज़रा आसानी हो जाती सेटल होने में, बट बिकॉज सलमान हैज़ नॉट बिन प्लेइंग, ही हैड एन इंजरी बिफोर, उसकी वजह से अब आके सीधा कैप्टनसी करना वो इतना आसान नहीं होगा उनके लिए. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली द टीम हैज़ लॉस्ट 3 मैचेस इन अ रो. With injuries, it's going to be an uphill task because all other teams, whether it's Lahore, whether it's Karachi, now all of them think we have a chance.
Exactly.
And that is going to put more pressure on Islamabad because it was no one else but themselves. जब इतनी changes की, that kind of caused that stoppage in the winning streak. So वो pressure उनके ऊपर added ज़रूर होगा.
Exactly. इसीलिए मैं मेरे ख्याल है शोएब भाई की तरफ भी बढ़ना चाहता हूँ. पॉइंट्स टेबल जो है उसके अंदर अब क्वेटा ग्लैडिएटर्स जो है वो आर ऑन टॉप एज वेल. आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हर्ट इस्लामाबाद द मोस्ट नाउ. शोएब भाई, इतनी बेंच स्ट्रेंथ होना कि आप हर मौके पे अपनी आर्मरी को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, डू यू थिंक दैट इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज और डू यू थिंक दैट्स मोर ऑफ अ पेन नाउ?
Well, hey, the points table. I think 8 matches been played, 5-1, right?
Yep.
2 lost.
Yep.
11 points. I think topping the chart is always going to help, right? I think it's a 2 team that we're playing final before the final was Quetta Gladiator and Islamabad. And Islamabad, to be honest, to not to take their side, but to give them an advantage, they have a lot of niggles in the team, and that's why they're trying the other guys.
इसी वजह से उन्होंने हैदर को भी आज नीचे भेजा.
Yeah, exactly. So, okay, give them a margin of error in terms of I think they know the best 11, right?
Yeah.
And with the injuries, with the top table, it's still number 2, right? And Lahore Qadar is reaching out, and Karachi and Peshawar Zalmi is there, and Multan, and they have forgotten us to come back.
And Lahore's got a game
Where
tomorrow
are
as
they?
well. So if they win, they probably might go up the order as well.
Yeah, the Multans are going to go out.
They
They're
are
already out.
They're pretty much packed their bags.
Yeah.
They're
So
ready
why
to-
they're in the table? So I'm just kidding.
Because
So
we-
I think pretty much, I think we knew that the finalist, the Quetta Gladiator, is going to be the top. Because the one thing that goes in the favor, and the one thing is there a mature management
Yeah.
that who knows which player to pick in the draft. Very simple. A, there are people who's going to play around the foreign players. 2, and secondly, they're a settled coach and the settled management along with Sarfraz. And I think the captain is amazing, South Shakil. I think he's not cut for job. I mean, beginning of the PSL, the minute he turned up and showed up, he showed that, this guy actually can be a good batter out of his skin, turn out to be a great batsman, and at the same time, he can be a good captain too.
Exactly.
So, settled squad. And Islamabad has, as Sana said, is uphill task, but I think they're going to come back stronger. All we need to see is who's going to come. The other 2. The other two team is very important for me. Lahore Qalandar can really surprise you. And they can surprise themselves too, right?
And Karachi Kings.
Kicking themselves out of the game, right?
Yeah.
So Zalmi, and then so on. I think it's going to be a great PSL. I think.
But
Exactly.
the range of expressions and emotions that we
Yeah.
all got to see on Sir Viv Richards' face tonight.
I think he needs a sleep. I think he must be absolutely
I think he needs a spa day,
exhausted.
just like relax, forget about the game. He was tense right
He
up
wasn't
until
even
that
happy.
last ball, like the six was hit. And everybody in that Quetta camp was celebrating, they were laughing, and Sir Viv was just like, this was too intense. We got it.
They should have
really
game.
close.
He wanted the game to be finished earlier and easier. And
Yeah, you can see
Yeah,
that.
it could, they could have finished it earlier as well. Very quickly, let's talk about the most valuable player over here as well. I'm going to move on towards Sohail by Hassan Nawaz. Hassan Nawaz actually did one thing right, which was जो इन्होंने इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड के हवाले से ये बात की कि जब आपको शॉर्टर डिलीवरीज कराते हैं तो you need to be on your back foot rather than कि आप अपने अगले फुट के साथ पहले से commit कर लें. I think Hassan Nawaz to come back, because unfortunately within this PSL he wasn't performing really well. Debut पे उनका 100 था. For him, I think it's going to give him a lot of confidence within the middle order of Quetta Gladiators. जी सोहेल भाई.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये लगी कि जब 5 ओवरों में अराउंड 48 उस टाइम पे 7 आउट भी हो चुके थे. सो उस टाइम पे नॉर्मली जब एक बैट्समैन खेल रहा होता है ना तो वो ट्राई करता है कि खुद से छक्के मार के गेम को फिनिश करे.
Yeah.
व्हाट ही डिड द बेस्ट, ही ट्राई टू रन टू. आप अगर देखें कि बीच
Yeah, singles
में
and doubles.
एग्जैक्टली, सो दैट शोड ही वाज नॉट पैनिकिंग.